Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download Roblox Studio. So for the first, open your any browser. Now I'm opening my Chrome browser and go to the search option. Search it to Roblox. Go to this link and log in your Roblox account. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. Look here to top bar and then click on to create, and then showing here to get Roblox Studio download option. Simply click on to download. Okay, now starting to download and done to download. Click on to install. And look here, my Roblox Studio now install running. So that's how we can easily download and install Roblox Studio.